Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix X3D audio 1_7.dll not found or missing. So the first step, what I suggest you to do here is simply restart your computer, and sometimes it can fix the problem. And if it's not the case, the next tip for you is to simply open a browser, and then you just need to write DirectX end user runtime, and probably it will be the first link here by Microsoft.com, DirectX end user runtime web installer. So you just need to go to this page, hit download, and then you will download this little setup. So you need to press on that, and then you need to accept agreement, press next, deselect this, install BingBar, and hit next. And after it's installed, you just need to restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, another thing that is suggested to do here, so probably you get this error when you booting up the game. So you just need to find the game on Steam or whatever client you're using. Right click on it, go to library, right click on it, go to properties, installed files, and verify integrity of the game file. So maybe your game file is just corrupted and need to be fixed. So go ahead and do that. And if it's not the case, try to reinstall the game and look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, the last thing that I suggested to do here is to go to settings. Then you need to go to Windows Update and check for updates, press this button, and if there is an update on your operating system, please install them all. Same thing with your GPU drivers. I'm using NVIDIA, so there is GeForce Experience app where I can easily install my drivers. If you're using AMD, I believe there is AMD Radeon to that. Just go to drivers, check for updates, and if there is an update on your GPU, install it as well. And I believe you can go to Device Manager, and on Device Manager you can go to Display Adapters and right click on your GPU and update drivers here, and it should fix your problem. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.